Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this short and easy tutorial, we're gonna be talking about how to detect shake gesture. So when you shake your device, your iOS device, we want to write an app to detect it. Okay, so we need to start a new project. But before then, I want to show you. So this is gonna be our app, just one label in the screen at the middle, at the center of horizontal and vertical. So when you shake your device, so if you want to do it on simulator, you just need to select and then go to your simulator hardware and shake gesture, or with control command Z. Anyway, so you can shake your device, then our app detect that shake and show user an alarm, actually, and warning on the screen. Okay, so let's go and do it. So for doing this, let me stop this one actually, and I'm gonna write this, create a new project. So file, new project. So we choose single view app and we name it iOS Swift, and we can name it same shake gesture 01. Okay, and then next, and we create it in final iOS Swift. I do it, you can do it somewhere else. Okay, so we don't have anything to that we need to connect storyboard, but just to have something to show and give idea to user what they need to do. So we just drag a label. Yeah, here I place a label and we make it shake me, for example, and yeah, center also I want to be a little bit for bigger font. Okay, so I make it 24, 26 system because it's plain text. And but if when you want to align it in the middle, you need to add two constraints that actually keep width and height in this label. Then I can align it to be horizontally and vertically center. So many I have comment that why you do this always, just to give you guys idea that you can make your app in a way that's in both portrait and landscape being professional, not and also all devices. Okay, so let's jump to view controller and do it. It's really easy, but to make it faster I have it typed before, so I copy and paste it here, and I'm gonna run it, and then I'll show we'll talk about the code, what we did. So as you see, we didn't do anything in our view did load as usual. So what we did, we just add two functions which already exist. These functions are under UI view controller, so inherited from this superclass to our class, and we just override them. That's be first responder true, yes, and also the motion ended. So it says if there were motion, which then triggered this function, and then it said, okay, if motion was shake, then do this for me. So what is this? Is just showing a presenting alert control, which is shake, gesture detector, and give option control to OK, and that's it. So when we shake device, we will show this alert on screen as a small window. Yeah, here you go. So we have it. So I'll go and shake it, and it should trigger. Yes, it's triggered, and now we will see shake gesture detected. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe for more video which are coming every day. And I wish the best for you. Thank you for watching us. And if you have any question, please ask in comment. Also in comment, you can find source code to this project as usual. And have a good one. Bye bye.